Welcome to Counselors Online Services, or COLS. This video will show you how to manually create a student account for a student. Most accounts are created when your school submits a file of demographic and academic data to the UAC in the October-November submission. The Create a Student Account function is used when it is not possible to submit such a file to the UAC. Examples: a student registers at your school for second semester. A student transfers from outside of Ontario. A student was not included in the October-November file submission. If a student account was not created automatically through a grades file, you can manually create one in order to add academic information for a student. Schools that do not send grades files will use this option. If a student registers after your school has sent your grades file, you can use this option to ensure that their grades are added as quickly as possible. The Create a Student Account function allows you to create an account for one or more students and store it on the UAC's database. To begin the process of creating a student account, select Academic Information from the Service Links menu. Enter the student's name or OEN and select Search. If the student does not have an existing account under your Mydent, you will see the link Create a Student Account. Add the required information about the student. You are not required to add any of the demographic info that is sent in the October-November submission. Tip: the SSSN must be 12 digits long. If your school's student numbers are shorter, add zeros to the beginning of the number. If your school does not have student numbers, enter the OEN with extra zeros at the beginning. Important: do not create an account for a student if your school does not hold the student's OSR. If a student transfers to your school, you must ensure the previous school transfers that student's OSR to your school. When finished, select Create a Student Account. If you receive an OEN already exists error, another school has already created a student account for this student. If this happens and you are the student's home school, contact guidance at ouac.on.ca for assistance. Once you successfully create a student account, you will return to Academic Information to search for the student and add their academic information. Note: students will only see their academic information displayed in their undergraduate application after they have submitted their application. Students must add all high schools they have attended, both homeschool and part-time school, to the education section of their undergraduate application. If your part-time students do not add your school, you will not see them when you search in academic information. You have now learned how to manually create a student account. For more features and tips about using COLS, check out the COLS resource section on the Guidance website.